Hello, everyone. My topic today is a question. How to assess OER competency quantitatively. And lesson from Europe, digital competence assessment. Three key points. Why Vietnam needs the OER competence framework. Second, what can we learn from other countries? And suggestion for Gojian Asia Pacific Hub. Okay. I think why Vietnam needs a OER competent framework, we have here two main reasons. First, the exploitation and use of OER in higher education is becoming extension task for all Vietnamese universities from now on. It's according with new law on higher education, dated December 10 last year, only last year. Yes, Article 26, Clause 8, point out that. And the second, decision number 1117 of the Prime Minister dated September 25 in 2023, approving a program for building models of OER in higher education. And the main reason too, the OER competence framework is basic for answering two key questions. Who is truly OER competent? And if so, at what proficiency level? And experience from other countries show that the two key questions mentioned above can be answered by using a 5-step approach. In the document DICOM in Action, EC in 2018. Right? When working with digital competence framework for citizens, you can see below 5 steps. And after first step, we have digital competence framework. It's for example, the French PICS framework or existing Vietnamese digital competence framework are adopted from the EC digital competence framework for citizens, all the competence in Vietnam now. Step 2, a reason in a tool for self-assessing or reassessing each digital competence of the framework according to the proficiency level and based on a database of as many questions as possible. Example for DICOM-SET or SENFRI in Europe. Step 3 and 4 results on training program for each digital competence and proficiency level of the framework for trainers and for end user. Example, Anglia Ruskin University Digital Competence Training Program. And step 5 results in maybe a web-based software integrating the results of all the above steps so that anyone can self-assess or reassessing each digital competence of the framework quantitatively, visually, and instantly. For example, Europass and PICS. So, some suggestions for Gojian Asia Pacific Hub. The above 5-step approach can be applied similarly to quantitative, visual, and instantaneous assessment of OER competency if we have shared products that can be customized to suit the needs and language for higher education institutions in ASEAN Asia Pacific Hub member countries. First, first OER competence framework, exam OER competence framework or OER trainer guide version 1-1 of the International Organization de la Francophonie, or Nguyễn Tất Thành University OER competence framework for teacher, customized from it. The second, repository of as many questions as possible related to OER competency update over time. And third, OER competence training program for teachers and students. And the fourth, web-based software capable of self-assessing or reassessing OER competence of the framework quantitatively, visually, and instantly, similar to PICS, for example. For the detail, you please click here. It can open other presentation, but not for 5 minutes, but for more than 5 minutes. So thank you. Thank you.